Something else that's kind of cool, you'll notice I'm signed in, so it's got my name down here. But if I hit the 3 dots next to my name and go to settings, I'm going to just show you this because it's cool, but I'm not going to talk too much about it. But if I go down to personalization, I can create my own custom instructions, details about my preferences, so Copilot can respond in a specific way to me personally. Okay, so you've got that, you've got other notifications, agents, and stuff like that you can take a look at. But the prompt box is where all the cool stuff takes place. This is where my instructions go. But sometimes I look at this and I'm like, okay, what do I want to talk about? Or maybe I don't know how to talk to Copilot. Hey, you might be in the same boat at this point. So you'll notice that you can take a look. We've got some categories down below. Maybe I want to explain. Okay, I might want to explain a particular document or perhaps certain data or even certain text or an email. Right. If I don't like any of these, I'm like, nah, I just want to learn about something. Well, I'll hit the 3 dots, take a look. Here's learn as a category. Okay, so I can choose learn and I'll choose help me learn about a particular topic. Okay, so I might say something like help me learn about reticulated giraffe. Okay, start with a detailed write-up about why it's important. And you'll notice I was able to get in and edit the sample prompt that Microsoft had available for me.